Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to tell you about the Nokia 105 4th edition that just got released in 2019. The basic question is why somebody would like to have this kind of GSM phone in 2020. Main thing is that of course everybody want to have a battery that lasts longer than the your smartphones. So that was one of the questions that I asked to me, and I found the answer that yeah, you should have a phone with the battery that lasts longer than 3 or 4 days. So that in case of emergency, if you got stuck somewhere and you would like to contact someone for help, then you should have a phone, or of course in any other scenario also. So let me tell you about the details about this Nokia 105. So it came in three color versions, that is the blue, pink and black or gray version. And it says that talk time up to 14.4 hours or 18.2 days standby. LED torch there is 1.77 color display, storage of up to 2000 contacts, micro USB connector. That means you can use your Android charger with it. You don't have to carry a special charger. That is a positive thing for this mobile. FM radio headset required, and they put actually this thing in parentheses because they didn't provide any headset. And free game, of course there are 3 4 games I will show you, but that are not actually free forever. So let's open it up and let's see what we get with it. So after opening this, I found a phone itself, so let me just put it out from the cover and let me put it right here. And then we have a battery, as you can see, and then we have at the end of course the charger itself. And at the last we have a booklet containing the information, or of course. And if you see, there is in English, and okay, this one is in English, this one is in rapid, I think it is in Italian, it is in French. This one right here is in some else language, some I think German, and this one right here is in Dutch, I suppose, and the last one is Italian. Okay, of course you don't need a lot of manual in order to understand the functionality of a phone like this, but okay, they provide it, it's included in the price, so no matter. All right, so let's put the charger aside. As you can see that the connector itself is Android, so you don't have to carry a special, you can say, special charger for it, so you can use one charger for both of the phone if you have another smartphone with it. Okay, now if we see here, we have battery here that is 800 mAh 3.7 volt, and it should last longer. Of course it's made in China, but that doesn't tell you that it should not last longer. China products are also good actually, uh, no offense. All right, so let's open it up. Okay, so here you can see that there are 2 SIMs. That is a very good thing. I wanted to have a phone with 2 SIMs actually. 2 SIM cards you can insert, so that is a very good thing. And of course here you can see the flashlight, and then here you can see the earphones for the radio because the radio is there, and here for the charging itself, and then there is 1.77-inch screen. All right, so let's turn it on. So let me put just the battery, and let me put the back cover. All right, so let's turn it on and let's see what we have here. All right, oh cool. All right, so we have here two SIM cards. As you can see, battery, time, along with menu, go to alarm. And now if we see the menu, then we have contacts, call log, contacts, clock, radio, messages, torchlight. Okay, yeah, that works also. So that comes handy actually sometimes. And then you have calculator, calendar, snake game. All right, so you can play snake game in it. And this is the game that is actually free. If they says other games are free, then they are not free. Here you can see you have to buy it. Only you can play 3 versions. For the other game, you have to again buy it. For this game, you have to again buy it, again buy it, buy it, you have to buy it, and then you have to buy it. So actually games, if they say free, then there is only one snake games free. All right, so let's go to the settings. So you have two settings. You can ask every time if you want to call, you can ask every time which sim should it use, or you can set it as default sim 1 or sim 2. Then you have default sim for messages, and then you have standby mode. You want to use only sim 1 or sim 2, or you want to use both of the sim cards at the same moment. And then you can of course assign sim name to them. And then you have tones, ringing tones, and the classic Nokia. All right, so these are the tones. And then of course there is ring volume. I just increase display setting. You can change the wallpapers. There are only 3 wallpapers that are there. Then you can center it, fit to display, or whatever you want to do. And in profile, of course, there is general and silent. And one more thing, you can just click this button, this right here, and then it should automatically, it should make it silent. So I click it, sorry, press it, and it is silent. And then I press again, and it goes general. Okay, so let's move on and see what else we have here. So we have radio, but for radio, of course, you need to have a headset. And then messages, so it can store messages quite a lot. And then you can set the no screening. From what you don't want to receive the message, it will go to no screening. Delivery report, sending profile, info service, and of course a good thing about here is create message. And then you can sending options, you can send to many. So if you want to say Merry Christmas to your family or friends, you can just write one message and send to many. Of course you have to select the context, but my phone book is empty, so that's why I cannot show you that right now. And typing is pretty good. So, and next thing, if we see, we have here two sims menu at the same time. And one thing is that the size or the shape or the design is actually ergonomic. It fits in your palm. That's what written in the details. And it's only 20 euros. I bought it for only 20 euros. So yeah, in that price, I think if you get dual sim and with a lot of settings like I told you, it's more than enough. And of course battery lasts longer. So here you can see two sim services. Of course in my case they are in roaming place, so emergency calls only. And then you can set alarms, up to 5 of them. If you are not going to wake up very early or on the first alarm, then of course you can use the 5 alarms one by one. And then time settings we have, so everything that is included in the classic GSM phones, that is included here. It's small with long battery timing, two sims, and yeah, I would say radio also along with it. So yeah, that's all I would say. And of course don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.